Hey everyone, I'm Shamli and I welcome you all to this new video of Simplilearn on Dogecoin Wallet. We covered what Dogecoin is, its value today, and understood Dogecoin mining and its concepts in the previous two videos. Now let's proceed further and look at how to create a Dogecoin wallet and how to use it. But before moving any further, let's see what we have for you in this video. First, we will have a quick introduction to what is Dogecoin, followed by how to buy Dogecoin. Then we will understand what a Dogecoin wallet is and what are the types of Dogecoin wallet. Then we will look into how to create a Dogecoin wallet and how to use it. After that, we will figure out why Dogecoin is so popular. And finally, we will go through the top 5 Dogecoin wallets in 2021. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a peer-to-peer open source cryptocurrency that works on a blockchain technology. Also, it provides its users a completely unknown, decentralized and secure environment free from any third-party interference to make their transactions. Dogecoin uses cryptography to secure all its transactions. Now let's proceed further and have a look at the process of how to buy Dogecoin. You can buy Dogecoin by following these steps. Step 1. Create a Dogecoin wallet. Step 2. Locate your specific Dogecoin address, which is a long array of characters that starts from capital D followed by any other capital character or any number. And step 3. Find a source that sells Dogecoin. And voila, buy Dogecoins. So that brings us to what is Dogecoin wallet. A Dogecoin wallet is something where you can store, receive or send Dogecoins. Technically, it is very similar to a real live wallet. Dogecoin wallet consists of its public and private key connecting it to the distributed ledger over the Dogecoin network. You can use your wallet's public key, which also functions as your coin address for your bank account number for Dogecoin, where anyone can track the transactions made by maintaining the anonymity of the users. The private key of your wallet is used to approve transactions in the ledger. Your wallet's public key is used to receive Dogecoins from other users. On the other hand, your wallet's private key is only used to send Dogecoins to other users in the network. So what are the types of Dogecoin wallet? Dogecoin wallet is of two types: digital Dogecoin wallet and physical Dogecoin wallet. Digital Dogecoin wallet is accessible through the web, and you can also download it according to your handset or operating system. On the other hand, physical Dogecoin wallets are pretty expensive and less accessible. So moving on, let's see how to create a Dogecoin wallet. To create a Dogecoin wallet for yourself, you will have to go through the following steps. Step 1. Choose the correct wallet. Dogecoin Core Wallet and Multi-Doge Wallet have been created and are maintained by the developers team of Dogecoin. Here, we will be using the Dogecoin Core Wallet as reference. Step 2. Download and install the Dogecoin Wallet in your handset. You can also use the official website of this wallet for your Windows. And step 3. Open the Dogecoin Wallet application and verify your Dogecoin Wallet address. And that is it. It is this easy to create and have your Dogecoin wallet. Now, when you have your Dogecoin wallet in your hand, let's see how you can use it. On the very bottom of the home page of your wallet, there are two options: Request Coins, where you can request Dogecoins from other users in the Dogecoin network, and Send Coins, where you can send Dogecoins to other users in the Dogecoin network. To receive coins, first click on the Request Coins button. Second, enter the required number of coins you want to request. And third, have the below generated barcode scanned by the user you wish to request the amount. Now to send coins, first type the Dogecoin wallet address to whom you want to send Dogecoins. Enter the required amount you wish to send to that user. And third, click on Send. And there you go. Now you can use your Dogecoin wallet whenever and wherever you want. This makes me wonder, why is Dogecoin so popular? Despite being in tough competition with other strong cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Dogecoin has never missed an opportunity to be in the limelight. Dogecoin's popularity is mainly attributed to its vast and dedicated community. Other than that, social platforms like Reddit and Twitter also promoted Dogecoin to a great extent due to its fun factor and the whole joke story behind it. Celebrities like Snoop Dogg, Kevin Jonas, Elon Musk also started taking an interest in Dogecoin and posting pictures and comments on their social media handles, which increased the craze of Dogecoin all around the world.
If getting your learning started is half the battle, what if you could do that for free? Visit SkillUp by Simplilearn. Click on the link in the description to know more.
So this was all about Dogecoin Wallet. Now let's have a look at the top 5 Dogecoin wallets of 2021. These are the top 5 Dogecoin wallets of 2021. Ledger Nano X, Trezor Model T, Kipkey, Binance, and Kraken. Kraken is primarily a cryptocurrency exchange platform but can perfectly act as a Dogecoin wallet. All you need to do is to register and then buy some Dogecoins. It is a very secure and reliable cryptocurrency exchange platform. It charges a very low fees for every transaction taking place on it, and it accepts a pretty decent amount of fiat money. Now, we have almost reached the end of this video. If I missed anything important, do let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video on Dogecoin Wallet and learned something new from it. If you like this video, then please do hit the like button. And thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates and videos from Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.